Formation of company. Step 1. Application of allotment of director identification number in DIR 3. Attachments. ID proof, residence proof, copy of verification by applicant in DIR 4, specimen signature. Step 2. Application of name availability. Reservation of name INC1. Step 3. Application for incorporation of company INC 7. Attachments. Memorandum of Association, Article of Association, Declaration INC 8, Affidavit from each subscriber in INC 9, Specimen signature in INC 10. Step 4. Notice of situation of registered office of company under incorporation INC 22. Attachments: proof of registered office address, conveyance, lease deed, rent agreement along with the rent receipts, etc. A proof that the company is permitted to use the address as the registered office of the company if the same is owned by any other entity or person not taken on lease by company. Step 5. Intimation regarding its first directors DIR 12 attachments. Consent to act as a director in DIR 2. Interest in other entities. Step 6. Declaration prior to commencement of business INC 21. Declaration has to be filed by director within a period of 180 days from the date of incorporation. Attachment certificate of incorporation, specimen signature in INC 10. Companies incorporated, chartered companies, saturate, saturate, saturity, statutory companies, registered companies, liability, limited liability, unlimited liability, number of members, private and public, control, holding and subsidiary, ownership, government and non-government. Definition: private and public company. A private company is one which, by its article of association, restricts the right to transfer its share, limits the maximum number of its members to 50, prohibits any invitation to the public to subscribe for any share or debenture of the company. A public company means a company which is not a private company. In other words, a public company means a company which by its article does not limit the number of its members and does not prohibit any invitation to the public to subscribe for any share or debentures of the company. Private versus public company. Basis: private company and public company. Minimum paid up capital 1 lakh private company, 5 lakh public company. Minimum number of members: private company 2 members and public company 7 members. Maximum number of members: 50 private company members and no limit in public company members. Minimum number of directors: in private company 2 directors, in public company 3 directors. Transfer of shares restricted: association AOA and requires the prior permission of board of directors. In public, shareholders can transfer shares freely. Public subscription AOA prohibits any invitation to public to subscribe to its share and debentures. In public, can invite public to subscribe to its share and debentures. Issue of prospectus: need not to prepare or file prospectus or statement in lieu of prospectus with registrar. In public company must prepare or file prospectus with registrar. Statutory meeting not required to hold in private company.